Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how I plan out my spread for the third week of May. I haven't done a video like this before, but I thought it would be helpful for you guys to show how I plan out my spreads, because until now you have only seen the end results of my spreads, and I got so many questions on how I do my watercoloring. So in this video you can get a better insight on how I do this. I lettered the days of the week with the Faber Castell PITT Artist pen black in the size S, and until now I haven't tried a layout like this, and I think the way the days are arranged will give me a better overview of the week. Now I'm watercoloring the coral. I used the colors pink and orange of the Crayola Supertips markers to create this effect. And on the left you can see how I used the plastic foil to get the ink off the markers, and then mix it with the water of my waterbrush to get the watercolor ink. I'm trying to spread out the ink on the drawing so it doesn't look like one plain color, and you get a more gradient layered effect. The same goes for the other water plants. I gave the plants on the side a lighter color so you get the illusion that they're in the background. For the sea turtle I used multiple reference pictures on Google and Pinterest. When I'm looking for a picture I always look if it will fit well into the theme and how I would place it onto my spreads. I found a very nice painting as a reference, but I didn't like the colors that were used, so I used multiple other pictures to get inspiration for the coloring. When I see images of sea turtles in the wild, they always consist of multiple colors, so I try to recreate that in this painting, and I use the colors blue, orange, yellow and green, and kind of went with the flow with arranging the colors. also added an inspiring quote which really spoke to me, because I'm also at a stage of change in my life at the moment. I'm about to switch my career path, which is exciting but also scary at the same time. And this quote will remember me that everything happens for a good reason. I'm adding details to the painting with a brown Prismacolor pencil. The patterns on the turtle might look complicated to make, but it is actually very easy. You just randomly draw the spots in a way that they fit into each other, and that's it. I wasn't going for a realistic imitation of the reference, and this also made it so much more fun to draw it. To fill out the blank space in the center, I added the month of May in caps letters. I used the font Book Antica or Antiqua, I don't know how you pronounce it, from Word as an inspiration. And I lined the letters with the Faber castell pen in the S size, and colored the letters in with a black Crayola marker. And this is my final spread of May. I hope you liked my video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you guys found this helpful, I'll try doing this next month as well. Hit subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and I'll see you guys in my next video.